Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So this is a little bit of a different intro because the intro we filmed at Disneyland like somehow got delayed or something.
Yeah, it got messed up.
Yeah, so this is the new intro and Sydney's just gonna explain the
giveaway. We're gonna be having a giveaway, 100 subscriber giveaway. And if you want to see the prizes, you can watch to the end and we show the prizes and we say, yeah, we show the prizes.
Yeah.
And so we have the rules. She's gonna say the rules.
Yeah.
So the first rule is you must be subscribed to Whimsical Sisters.
Yes. Chelsea?
And you have to follow us on Twitter and follow us on Instagram. Both our Twitter and Instagram name is whimsicalsis15.
And leave a like.
Yes, and then after you leave a like, leave a comment down below with your Twitter and Instagram handles so we can check to see if you're following us. And also another big thing, if you want to win the giveaway, you're gonna have to make sure your liked videos on your channel and subscriptions are unprivated so we're able to see if you're subscribed and liked the video for us. So that's the giveaway, and we'll go into the vlog that we recorded yesterday for 4th of July at Disneyland. So we hope you liked it. You guys, I don't know if you can see, but it's super smoky in California Adventures right now because some fireworks were going off and we don't know if it was the fireworks for 4th of July. Yeah, for 4th of July, because it says not on here 9:30. So we're gonna ask a cast member. I don't know, because they just went off. And it's 9:08 right now. They're supposed to go off at 9:30. I'm not sure if they put them earlier because of the weather. I don't know, but
I don't know, that sucks that they did them earlier because we were planning to go at that time.
Yeah, we were just gonna make it. It's 9:08, we were just gonna make it. So, I don't know, we'll see, we'll ask the cast member and see if the fireworks went off earlier. If it did, I'm gonna be really sad because we really want to see the fireworks. Hit the road. Can you see the fireworks? Okay, you guys, we got a spot, kind of. Hopefully we don't get kicked out. they're basically perfect.
Walkway only. You guys not on this? Walkway only. Please continue
Continues to
forward.
inspire. Words and melodies, American folk songs. It's found.
You can see now?
Just as the 50 stars and 13 stripes are so grandly united upon Old Glory, our nation's flag unites us all. Let us join together in salute to the red, white, and blue, and cheer the hopes and dreams that continue to shine throughout America.
was so packed during those fireworks. It was ridiculous. Like everywhere we went, it was full, huh? Yeah, like Main Street. Oh my God, Main Street was ridiculous, you guys.
No, but not ridiculous over here.
Yeah, it was like literally, it was so funny because there was white ropes up, and then we went behind it with other people because we were just trying to get a spot, and there's still a lot of space open for people to walk. But then a worker comes, a cast member comes over, and she just takes the white ropes off because there's just so many people. Like you couldn't move that many people. Like
they couldn't
it was
control
over, like,
it. Yeah, they couldn't
probably.
control it.
Yeah, and then this one cast member comes during the middle of the fireworks show. He's like, okay, I need everyone to move, and no one's moving. But
I know.
yeah.
He's like, get behind the rope, and I was about to say the rope's gone, but
I know.
he just gave up.
But you guys, that fireworks show was so good. I'm so happy we came to Disneyland on 4th of July. It's way better than what we would have seen at home. And I hope you guys like them too. Good thing we actually got to see them, and that we were like running to go to them. We barely got there. They were a little late. That's the only reason why we got them. But recorded it right when it went off. But yeah, it was really fun. And we'll see what else we do because we're gonna stay a while left for like the park to clear out. Because literally, I think Disneyland's at like capacity. It was so packed.
Almost at capacity.
Yeah.
Basically, it's really crowded. You can't even breathe, girl.
I know. So we're gonna see what we do next, and we'll see you there. Okay, you guys, so basically about the fireworks, how we thought we missed them, we didn't. World of Color had like special fireworks for today for 4th of July, so that's why it was like all smoky over there. So I'm so happy we didn't actually miss them, and we saw them and they were baked. So that's what happened about that. Okay, so we're going on Haunted Mansion right now. I'll show you on the right. And you guys, if you're wondering, my eyebrows look different because I filled them in with the Anastasia dip brow, so that's why I look different, I feel like. Okay, so I'll see you on the right.
Challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our places and will haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Okay, so we just went on Haunted Mansion, and I obviously recorded that for you. But the camera might die soon, so I don't know if this is goodbye or not. Sydney's in the restroom right now, so I'll see. Goodbye if not. Goodbye if the camera dies, but if it doesn't, then we're gonna go on Matterhorn. But hopefully the camera doesn't die because we recorded that whole fireworks show. So I'll see what we do next or what we don't do next. Thank you guys so much for our 100 subscribers. Yay! This is truly like a blessing, and we are so grateful for all of you guys subscribing.
and
we just want to show that we're grateful with the giveaway.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have all the rules in the description, so be sure to look there. And we're giving away a Starbucks gift card and a keychain from Disneyland, which we're here right now.
Yeah,
and we'll give you 3 options you can choose from if you win.
Yeah. So I just want to say thank you again for 100 subscribers, and we'll show you the 3 keychains you can pick from. Point to it.
You can get either this Disney one or the Disneyland 2017 Resort, or you can get this Mickey one, or you can get like this Mickey head keychain one with stuff inside of it. So these
Those
are
are
all
your guys' choices.
Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I hope you liked it, and all the 4th of July fireworks and stuff. I hope your 4th of July was just as great as ours, and thank you for watching.
And we'll see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.